Hello guys, welcome to the channel, welcome to the video. So in this video we are going to be creating a professional email. So it is going to be a step-by-step guide how we can be able to create a professional email where you can be able to send out email and also receive email using a professional email that have your domain attached to it. So first of all, this is going to be a two-step guide. First, we are going to log into our cpanel. We log into our cpanel. Then after logging into our cpanel, we click on emails. We look at an email account. Once you click on email account, you should be able to see this. This one was the ones that was created new. So for your own website, you might be able to just see this thing, something of this nature without having this one now. So all you need to do, click on create. Once you click on create, it will tell you your username. You add your username. Then this will be the attachment that that's the domain name that you have. So your username, then the domain name. So like now I can put maybe help, or I can use contacts. Then it should be contact at this domain name dot the extension. So they will ask me now for password. So I will use the same password. Then I can come down. Then I can say maybe stay here, but I want to just create. So I've been able to create this email right now. So what I'm going to do now, in order for me to access this email, I'll just click on what? Check email. Once I click on check email right now, I should be able to go to the webmail. So in a minute, let me see if I can be able to send email to the then I click on open. So you should be able to open the particular portal where we have the email. So I'm trying to see if I'm going to be able to send email to this particular. Let me see if I can be able to send an email to it. So we'll be able to get the email that we sent. So see the email that we sent. The name was YouTube. Then it came from me, Odyssey Junior. So as you can see now, we can be able to send professional emails to any website by doing what? By just creating these emails faster. So guys, this is the only way you can be able to do this, and step by step. I hope you have been able to enjoy this video. Drop your comment at the comment section and see you in the next video. Bye for now. Peace.